Basic affiliate marketing tips anyone can use. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. Look for companies that are willing to pay extra for your time spent. Some affiliate businesses expect you to design the marketing tools you will be using to get them buyers. Finding a business that is willing to pay you for the extra efforts is quite a bonus. If you are spending your time for their sales, you should be paid for it. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, you should make your text very easy to read. Shorter sentences of varying length are much easier for readers to digest. Bold text helps draw readers to important statements. Assuring that visitors read your copyright will ensure that it can sell them products. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must select a niche that will generate revenue. When participating in affiliate marketing, you are aiming to make money. Otherwise, you can just create a personal blog about your interests. Therefore, you need to do research to ensure that the niche you pick will be profitable for you. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.